Hey guys, so as you can see, I am spinning around my messy office. This is actually where I do most of the recording for my YouTube channels. This is where I do live streams. And it's a little bit messy just now because I'm being lazy, because I am moving house soon, so there's no point tidying up because I need to put everything in boxes soon anyway. Now the desk is messy because I'm about to review this for my gaming channel. I did a video about this on my technology channel, but I'm going to do a video about it for my gaming YouTube channel. But I also was going to switch some things up. I've actually got 6 capture cards. There's 3 of them on the desk here. This is what I use to capture footage from cameras and then put it into my PC. And I'm going to switch up the capture cards that I'm using here. I'm going to put in one for my main camera here, which is 4K. So, because I'm doing that, I'm going to record a video about it for my main YouTube channel, my technology YouTube channel. But if I show you this, you should be able to see that I'm downloading the latest version of Call of Duty, Modern Warfare and Warzone, and I've got my website there as well. So I'm in this unique position right now where I'm recording a video for my business YouTube channel because I can't record a video for my technology YouTube channel, which I want to do before I do a video for my gaming YouTube channel. Did you catch all that? So yes, that's what I want to talk about in this video. I want to talk about juggling multiple YouTube channels. So, multiple YouTube channels. Why do so many popular YouTubers have a second, third, or even fourth YouTube channel? What is their goal? Now, for some of them, they might be thinking, I can make a lot more money by launching other YouTube channels. That's fine. But I would say that the main reason, the biggest reason, the most sensible reason for launching another YouTube channel is to cover topics that aren't related to your existing channels. I'll give you an example of this. Let's say you've got 2 passions, 2 interests. You like talking about cameras and you like talking about running. These are your 2 main interests. And that's common. It's common for people to have many different interests. Now, the problem with that is when you publish a video about cameras, camera reviews, camera news, etc., you will attract people that have a similar interest. And when they come to your channel, they will expect videos about cameras and camera tutorials. But those people will not be interested in your videos about running. Likewise, if someone subscribes to your channel because you've published a lot of videos about running, those subscribers will not really care about your videos about cameras. Now, of course, there's always a little bit of a crossover and there's people that like both topics. But I would say that if you have 2 topics like that, it makes sense to split the channels, have 2 channels rather than 1, because you run the risk of alienating half your audience whenever you publish a video, because your subscribers want different things. Now, I'm not criticising anyone or any YouTuber that has done this before that's got different topics within the one channel, because I've kind of made this mistake myself. My main YouTube channel focuses on technology. Now, I have covered different topics before, like travel, and I've covered some personal things and website things before. But I'd say about 95% of the content on my main channel, Kevin Muldoon, I know I thought about that name for ages, but my main channel mainly focuses on technology, and every video comes under the category of technology. But that's a fairly big category, so I'm kind of making that mistake myself. Now, on my technology channel, I will focus on gaming, on phones, on tablets, on laptops, on PCs, on computers, on action cameras, on photography cameras as well. And there are a lot of people that are, just interested in all of those subjects. But there's a lot of people that don't like all the topics that I cover. If you like gaming, if you like games, you're not going to be interested, well, you might not be interested in my camera videos or my tablet videos or my laptop videos. Likewise, people who are interested in the latest mobile phones might not want to see me playing games or hearing about the latest gaming news. And that's why several months ago I launched a gaming channel, because I wanted a place where I could focus on gaming without alienating my existing audience. And this is a common problem. It's a common problem where you have to think about the topics that you cover, and you have to think about, am I alienating the people that subscribe to my channel? Now, I was talking about this with David Harry recently. His main channel is quite similar to mine as far as the topics that he covers, but he's also launching a gaming channel. He might have launched it by now. And he had the same concerns as me as far as, should I launch a second channel? Now, there are a lot of reasons for doing that. As I said, I think it makes more sense. If you're covering many different topics, it makes sense to kind of, if they're not related, split them up and do separate channels for those videos. But there are some downsides to this, and it can be detrimental to your existing channels to launch additional channels. The real problem really is time management and being productive with your time. Take today, for example. I am recording a video for my business channel because I can't do a video for my technology channel, which I want to do before I do a video for my gaming channel. And today, yes, I might be able to do 3 videos, but most of the time I can't do that. And this week I have 3 or 4 videos planned for my technology channel, 3 or 4 videos planned for this business channel, and a couple of videos planned for my gaming channel as well. In a perfect world, I will get all of these videos finished. But there's only so many hours in the day, and sometimes you just have to pick what channel you're going to cover, and that means that one channel is going to suffer. That is basically what's going to happen. If you've got, say, 30 or 40 working hours every week, if you've only got one channel, you can devote all your time to that one channel. If you've got 2 channels and you want to do it evenly, well, your 40-hour week, 40 hours on one channel now becomes 20 hours on that channel and 20 hours on that channel. And if you've got 4 channels, it's 10 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours. As you can see, that means less content is being published on each of the channels. And less content, generally on YouTube, that means less growth, less views over time. So sometimes it does make sense to launch multiple channels, but the penalty for doing that is that you're splitting your time between all of those different projects. And it can be difficult to do that. When I was working on this channel the other year and I was publishing so many videos about cryptocurrency, my main technology channel, my main channel was not being updated as much. And because of that, the channel did not grow as quickly as it should have. I mean, my main channel just now has got about 12,000 subscribers, but if I hadn't focused on this channel for so long, maybe it would have had 20,000 or 25,000. That's the risk. That is the risk, guys. You've only got so much time, and you need to think about the cost of updating one channel instead of the other. Now, I'm kind of at that crossroads again because I want to upload more videos to this business channel and kind of re-establish it. But I also want to launch my gaming channel and get it up to a few thousand subscribers. And for a lot of people, growth would be their main concern. I want to grow the channel. I want to, get new subscribers, etc. But I think maybe because I've been through this YouTube journey before and I've launched a few channels, I do know what it takes to grow a channel. I do know the types of videos that I want to do for those channels. So for me, the biggest concern is not about growing the channels. I believe that if I publish the videos that I want to publish for them, the channels will grow. The big concern for me is time management. There's only so many hours in the day, and when you do launch multiple channels, you will have to split your time between those channels. Now, it will depend on how much time you want to spend on each channel as well. Now, for example, one of the most popular second channels that you'll have is that someone will have their main channel, and then their second channel will be a personal behind the scenes type channel. That's quite common, and I don't think that's a problem not updating them, updating a channel like that often. But if you want 2 main channels, 2 channels that you do want to do well, to make money, to generate growth, income, subscribers, views, etc., then you do have to spend time in it, and that does mean that you're going to spend less time on your main YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have got multiple YouTube channels or you're thinking about launching multiple YouTube channels, please let me know in the comment area. I'd love to hear from you guys, hear what your thoughts are on this issue, hear what your pros and cons are on it. I'm sure there's some of you that have launched multiple channels and you've went back to just having one, or maybe some of you that have decided to branch out and launch many more channels. But I'd love to hear from you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.